Welcome to our drone camera showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two exciting options for beginner drone enthusiasts. On one side, we have the Loily 2 KHD FPV drone, known for its impressive camera resolution and user-friendly features. On the other side, we have the Velcase 108 OPHD drone, which offers a range of advanced functionalities. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of price, camera quality, and features. Let's start with the price. The Loily Drone 2 KHD FPV is priced at an attractive $89, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the Velcase drones with camera comes in at $169, which is a significant investment for a beginner drone. While the Velcase offers more advanced features, the price difference is substantial, and for those just starting, the Loily might be the better option. Next, let's talk about camera quality. The Loily drone boasts a 2K HD camera, which is a significant advantage for capturing high-resolution images and videos. On the other hand, the Velcase offers a 108OP HD camera. While 108OP is decent, it simply cannot match the clarity and detail of 2Ks. For those who prioritize camera quality, the Loily is clearly the winner in this category. Finally, let's examine the advanced features. The Velcase drone includes several advanced functionalities such as trajectory flight, gesture control, and one-key return, making it a more versatile option for users looking to explore creative flying techniques. In contrast, the Loily focuses on simplicity with features like gravity sensing and basic FPV. If you're a beginner looking for straightforward operation, the Loily is perfect, but if you want to grow into more advanced flying, the Velcase may be worth the extra investment. In conclusion, both the Loily Drone 2 KHD FPV and the Velcase drones with camera offer unique advantages. If you prioritize camera quality and affordability, the Loily is the clear choice. However, if you're willing to spend more for advanced features and safety options, the Velcase could be the better fit. Whichever you choose, both drones provide a great entry point into the world of aerial photography. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.